Well, hello everyone, it's Chandler South, the broker owner of Florida Life Team Realty based in sunny Sarasota, Florida. Today we're in Bradenton, Florida, just 3 miles to the beach. Let's take a look at the Bali Model, 2241 square feet under air, 3-bedroom, 3-bath, plus an office and or den. You can also add an ADU in the back, which this one does have that. Let's go take a look. So going to your front porch area. This one does have a little lake view towards the front. Turning back around. Single entry front door. Let's go inside and take a look. So opening up the front door. We'll start over to the right. So here's our first guest bedroom and guest bath. I like how they have tile all the way to the ceiling, which is really nice. Let's go across the hall. You have another guest bedroom over here. This one also has a full ensuite bathroom. So there's the guest bed. Turning back around, here is the guest bath. Again, tile all the way to the ceiling. Here's the closet on this one. Going back into the main home itself. Oh wow, look how beautiful this is, guys. So here's a view of your custom kitchen. This is a gas community, so you do have a gas cooktop right over here. Pasta filler. I love the dual color cabinets. You do have the upgraded kitchen and appliance package with the dark slate. Another view of your dining and living space. Also off the kitchen, you do have a bonus room right over here. Get another view of your living, dining, and here's the kitchen. Walking towards the back. Here's your dedicated office towards the back. Turning back around. Another view of the main living, dining, and of course your kitchen. Here's the owner bedroom. And then going into your owner bath, double vanities, walk-in tiled shower, and tile all the way to the ceiling, which is really nice. Going into the owner closet. And again, this closet actually opens into the laundry space. So view of your laundry room. So like I mentioned, this property also has an ADU in the back, so let's go take a look at that. So also on this model, the garage is in the back, so your garage will be in the rear, and then technically you would come through that door right over here, and then we turn around. And then once you come into your garage, come out this door, and you would come out into the back living space right over there. Right here, here is your outdoor entertaining space. And then if you come down this way, let me show you the ADU above the garage. Definitely if you are looking to have some additional square footage, this will give you a full bedroom, living room, and bathroom. Going upstairs. And of course, give me a call anytime, 941-303-9575. I'd love to get you more information on this beautiful model or any other models in the community. Again, so here's a view of the ADU above the garage. So again, beautiful living space, full kitchen, dining space. Here is your guest bed. And back over here, your full guest bath. Again, absolutely beautiful. Give me a call anytime, 941-303-9575, or visit my website, 𝐊𝐞𝐲 𝐅𝐞𝐚𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿